In this video, we're going to talk about Allplan versus Revit. Let's start with Allplan. Allplan specializes in cross-disciplinary BIM modeling for detailing, reinforcement, prefabricated concrete, and infrastructure such as the landscape, roadways, and bridges. It is widely regarded as the leader in open BIM and focuses on IFC compliance. The latest version of Allplan, which is Allplan 2026, introduces new tools including advanced 3D civil layering, automatic reinforcement visualization and drawing, and improved cloud collaboration through BIM Plus. The annual subscription price for concept ranges from about $245 per month to $410 per month for Ultimate, while the professional edition costs around $3,650 a year. It is still Windows exclusive software. Then we have Revit, the parametric software used by the construction industry for building information modeling for architecture, structure, and MEP is Revit. The software is integrated with the Autodesk ecosystem and is the leading software in the US among architectural firms due to its multidisciplinary functionality. As of 2026, Revit incorporates AI driven generative design, reality capture workflow improvements, and real time clash detection in the ACC. The software runs on Windows only. Its monthly subscription fee is around $305 or $2,425 annually. Meanwhile, the AAC collection costs $3,115 annually. Now let's take a look at their strengths. For Allplan, the program is the best option for structural and civil engineering design. It is a native way to handle reinforcement and precast elements in 3D space, and it provides better capabilities for designing bridges and roads compared to Revit. For Revit, Revit excels in architecture and MEP collaboration. It has a very powerful parametric modeling engine to create intelligent families, and the huge number of users makes Revit the best platform for collaborating with other people and buildings. So, which wins? While Revit is better in terms of wide industry use and team collaboration, Allplan wins hands down when it comes to structural design tasks, offering higher precision and fewer errors. So, which one should you use? If you work on MEP and architectural drawings, then Revit might be the right choice. But if you're doing professional work in structural design, then Allplan would be the better software choice. Both programs have free trials. Subscribe for more tech review videos.